Alright, so today we are using Prezi to build our presentation. You are going to demonstrate your understanding of what we learned about different animals. So here you see my basic outline. First I talk about how we identify living and non-living things. We know that animals have different needs. I did not label that on here, but that is something that I do expect to see on yours. We know that one of their needs is food. So here I have a source of food, different sources of food. Then I identify the three different kinds of animals based on what they eat. So here we see herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. So very quickly you see that inside living and non-living things. We see that they take in nutrients, they grow, and they reproduce. Then in sources of food, we see that they eat plants and animals. Then you will identify an animal that is an herbivore and how you know it is an herbivore. Carnivores, same thing, and omnivores. So when you present, I should be able to click on your presentation, or whenever you present your presentation. Everything flows. Very smoothly. So that is my outline for this presentation. I will also be posting a rubric that goes along with this assignment. I expect you to follow along with the rubric, and as long as you hit all the requirements, you shouldn't lose any points. So please follow along, and I'm excited to see what you guys create.